How to create Facebook page auto replies. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create Facebook page auto replies. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create the auto replies on your Facebook page, on your business page, what you can do is simply open up your Facebook page on your Meta Business Suite and navigate to the inbox section. After that, here you'll be able to see this Messenger, Instagram, Facebook comments, and Instagram comments messages all over here if you have done any messages. And here, simply navigate to this automations option. You just need to go to automations and you'll be able to see a bunch of options. What we're going to do is simply create an automation ourselves. After that, click on this instant reply option and click on this edit automation. After that, you'll be able to see this instant reply option. You just need to turn on that, and here on the channel you need to click messenger, and under message you need to leave a message. You can see by default there is a message that says, "Hi there, thank you for contacting us," and all. You may just edit your message or personalize your message according to your business. After that, after everything is set up, what you need to do is simply click on the save changes, and after that, whenever someone messages you on your Facebook page, the instant reply will reply them. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to turn on the instant reply on your Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.